Hi everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is different. I've just had a long shift and this is where I come and refresh in nature. So come with me because I love this. I feel good when I connect with nature. It helps with my my mind feels calm. I feel peaceful. So this is where we grow vegetables, organic fresh vegetable. As you can see, this is so beautiful, especially when it's sunny. It's so nice. So come with me. As you know, with nursing you have long shifts, so after a long day shift I like to come here. I love nature. I grow so many fruits. This is a fig tree, the famous fig tree on the Bible. This is one of them. And I've got pears here, beautiful pears that are just about to get ripe. If you come with me, I'll show you. Like the plants are growing so nice. The fresh air is lovely. And then the apples, guys, come here. I'll show you the apple. Just about to get ripe. Beautiful apples. So this is all nice. You feel good, you feel relaxed, all the stress goes away. Okay, so guys, look, I grow blackcurrant berry. They are natural, organic. They're very good for you, very lovely. Like these ones are getting ready. And then I've got apples here, very nice, organic. So here in England we don't have a lot of space, in London specifically, because I live in London. So we have small allotment. Like this is all my space where I come. So like you can see, I've grown fresh organic spinach, and this is rhubarb, very nice. I've got come with me this way, these are spring onions, lovely. And hello, the maize, these are white maize, very nice. And then we've got courgette, big courgette here. So most of my spare time I like to come and spend time here. We've got beans which are growing, so I water my plants very well so that they're healthy. And these ones we cover them because sometimes to avoid insects to eat my plants. I've got all of these are vegetables, beans, and what else do you want me to show you? Okay, and also these are, we call this is like the kale. So I've covered it so that it doesn't get insects eating it. So yeah, look at all this. Is lovely space. So please come with me. I want to show you my favorite plant here in all of this allotment, which is the lavender. You all know the importance of lavender. Voila! Look at this. Lavender. Smells lovely. The importance of lavender, for the oil, you can cook with it, tea. It's actually a medicine. It's so good. So all of this is very helpful. It's one of my favorite of all the plants here. The lavender and the bees, look, the bees come here because it's so nice. Tell me on the comments below the importance of lavender. If you know, let's discuss because it's so good.